Hello. You need who? Oh, Pretty Rissa, the content creator. Yeah, this is she. You want to know my rates? Okay, let me tell you something. My rates are pretty steep for my videos. Baby, I'm monetized on, yes, baby, I'm monetized on YouTube. Oh, you can't afford it? Oh, y'all, guess what? Guess what? Girl, I'm monetized on YouTube. Yes, I'm finally monetized. Okay, that was probably ugly, but yeah, y'all, I'm freaking monetized on YouTube. So today's video is gonna be all about how you can start a YouTube channel today, and also how you can become monetized on YouTube. So let's get right into the video. When I started YouTube, I legitly started because I love YouTube anyway. Like, I've been watching YouTube for probably about, this is what, 2020? I've been watching YouTube for like 10-11 years. Since like 2009 I started watching YouTube. I created an account. No, I did not have a channel, but I've always like been on YouTube. I knew that's like something that I was interested in. So I would say the first thing you need to have before starting YouTube is the passion. Like, you actually need to have the passion for starting YouTube. That's what's gonna like get you to keep going. I feel like now a lot of people just want to hop on a YouTube train because they know you can become monetized, you can make money, you can get sponsorships and free hair, free clothes, stuff like that. But really, like, you need to like want to do it. So that's the first thing you need, is like the passion and the drive to do it. Also, so you need to know, what are you coming on YouTube for? Like, one thing I always ask myself is like, why would people follow my channel? Like, if somebody come past Pretty Rissa, why would they stay? You know what I mean? So that's like the first thing. What are you coming on YouTube to do? If you're coming over here to do hair, girl, you need to be the hair goat. If you're coming on here to do makeup, girl, you need to be the makeup goat, because the YouTube platform is like saturated. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people on here putting out content, millions of people putting out content a day. So in order for you to get subscribers, you're gonna need something special about you. Like, what is that special thing about you? For myself, I don't have like a niche. So I'm just not all about hair. I'm not all about makeup. I'm not all about fashion, things like that. But I feel like with me, the thing that I have on YouTube is like presence and personality and vibe and energy. I feel like that's what I bring to the YouTube platform. So yeah, the first thing to find out is like, what you doing? Why are you even on YouTube? What's your goal? Okay, so once you know like why you want to be on YouTube and stuff like that, you're gonna need equipment. Okay, so the equipment that you're gonna need to start a YouTube channel is a camera. Okay, now I don't record with the camera, but I do use my iPhone. So you need some type of something that's gonna film you. So like I said, it can be a camera, it can be an iPhone, it can be your iPad, something, whatever's gonna get you recording. Next thing that's very, very important is lighting. Get you a ring light. I got my ring light off of Amazon. I think I'm actually on my second ring light right now. My first one I paid, I think, like $110 or something like that for, and then my second one, I think it was like $120 because it's a little bit better. But you're definitely gonna need lighting. Also too, like right now, if you can't afford to get a ring light, I say that it's good for you to record like in just like a lit area where people can see you really clear. The best lighting to me is actual like natural lighting. Like, so you would need to like sit in front of a window. So let's say, for instance, you want to record using natural lighting. You wouldn't be sitting how I'm sitting, because the window and the sun would be coming behind you, which is actually going to make your footage look dark. So if you're going to be like using a window, let me show you how y'all need to do it. Like this. You would need to be turned like this, and you would have your camera like sitting right here in front of you. That way the light would be coming from like behind the camera. Just like now, my camera is, y'all can't see it obviously, but my camera is like in the middle of my ring light. The next thing that's very, very important to start your YouTube channel is to think about your background. So like right now, I'm just using a natural, normal background. Like, I'm in my bedroom, sitting right in front of my vanity. I know when I first started YouTube, I actually was buying like backdrops or like fabric. So I went like to the fabric store, or you can look on Amazon for backdrops and just get you a white one, a black, really whatever color that you want. So if you don't have like a decent setting or setup like I have, that's okay. You can just get you a backdrop of some sort. Make sure that like in the back of your videos, it's not like too much going on, because on the YouTube platform, like I said, y'all, it's so hard to get subscribers. Like, you want people to turn on your video and watch you. So if you got clothes in the back or all this like other mess going on, it's hard for people to focus on you. Also too, I feel like your background can match whatever you are on YouTube doing. So like me, for instance, I do like my channel, I would consider it like a lifestyle channel. If you look at like my banner, it says lifestyle, beauty, and inspiration. That's basically like what I'm on YouTube to do. I'm going to show you my lifestyle. I hope I can inspire you. and I'm gonna show you like some beauty stuff. I'll be doing my hair, makeup, clothes, stuff like that. So I chose a background that embodies that. My vanity in the back, makeup, perfume, you know, little stuff like that. My lip gloss is back here. You know what I'm saying? It creates that vibe. If you coming on YouTube because you know you're a gamer, you want to show how you play video games, maybe have, you know, your setup like that. If you coming on here to show workout tips, maybe record in the gym. You know what I mean? That way you can create like an ambiance for your channel, like a vibe, stuff like that. But like I said, don't get too hung up on that though. You can always just get a backdrop. That's how I started recording my videos. The last thing that I feel like you need to start YouTube is just dedication. Let me tell y'all something. Everybody think like, oh my God, it's like I could just turn on my camera and record. Girl, that is not the case. Like, there's so much that goes into recording these videos, y'all. Like, you're gonna need to have the time to do it. Find the time to do it. You're gonna have to put in the dedication to do it. Fix yourself up. Don't just come on camera like looking however. You know what I mean? You want people to look at you and to like you and to stay on your channel. I feel like for me, girl, like I have a whole full-time job. So like, of course I don't go to work like super glammed up like I am now. So in order for me to record my videos, I carve out the time to do my makeup, do my hair, find something cute to throw on in order to record. That's very important. I would have never got my channel monetized if I wasn't dedicated to what I was doing. So like when you first start on YouTube, it's gonna be hard because like I said earlier in the video, YouTube is saturated. There's so many, like millions of people a day posting videos on YouTube. So like you gonna have to have a dedication. You gonna have to know like in your mind that you legitly like recording, like posting. Some days it's really easy for me to record, like no worries, and then some days it's like, okay, I'm recording because I know I have content to post. You know what I mean? That's why I put for number 3 is dedication. People have to have a reason to subscribe to you and to stay to you. I feel like you cannot come on here just looking any kind of way, not looking cute, not being put together, stuff like that. It's gonna be hard for people to want to subscribe. That's for me anyway, especially for me, just because like I don't have like a niche. Like I said earlier, like I don't have I don't just do makeup, I don't just do hair, I don't just do vlogs, stuff like that. My channel is kind of like, you get a little bit of everything. Like when I come here, I need to like grab people's attention soon they get on my videos. So if I was to come on here and I was just like, hey y'all, so I'm doing, and nobody want to see it, nobody want to hear that. I come on here cute, I come on here feeling good, stuff like that. That's why people get here, they see my vibe, they see my energy, they decide to stay. Let's get into the portion about me becoming monetized. Okay, so I am monetized on YouTube. In order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000, and you also need to have 4,000 hours of watch time within 365 days. Let's say you hit, you know, 1,000 subscribers and then your watch time is only 3,000 hours. You can't be monetized yet. You need the 1,000 subscribers and you need the 4,000 watch hours. Keep in mind that those hours, they do fall off. So like I started recording YouTube videos, I think I posted my first video like September of 2019, and that video is private. Y'all can't see it no more because it was a hot mess, okay? But that's when I posted like my first video. You have to have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours in watch time in order to get monetized. 4,000 hours, y'all, that's 440,000 minutes. Like people gonna have to really watch your videos. Now I think like in 2018 that changed because YouTube used to be able, I think it was like all you needed was like 10,000 views and you was monetized. Girl, if that was the case for me, I would have been monetized a long time ago because I had those views. But now YouTube actually want to make sure that they paying people who are actually keeping people on their platform. So they say, okay, you want us to pay you? Okay, baby, you need 4,000 watch hours. And that's just what it is. So I say the quickest way to get those watch hours is for you to actually post content that is worthy of watching. Like I know a lot of people, they have like a lot of like Instagram and Facebook groups where they say, oh, subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe to your channel. Like my video, I'll like your video. And when I first started, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still in those groups now. But I don't get in those groups to beg for subscribers and stuff because at the end of the day, I do know people who have their 1,000 subscribers, but they're so far away from their watch hours. Because you can get anybody to click on your video and subscribe. You can get your mama, your cousins, your family, coworkers, stuff like that. But for people to actually get on your page by themselves and like watch your videos all the way through, that's different. So that's why I say like you actually got to be posting content that people want to watch. So I'm so lucky, and I'm so like, I don't even want to say lucky because it was not luck. This was hard work that got me here. Like I'm just grateful. That's the word. I'm grateful that people actually come to my YouTube page and they actually stay on my channel and they watch my videos. Like I think like right now I'm at like 1.38, so like 1,380 something subscribers or something like that. So to all 1,380 something of y'all, I am grateful and I'm thankful, and we on our way to 2K. Okay, we're on our way to 2K subscribers very, very soon. But like, I'm just so excited. I'm like, and when I used to look at my analytics, I used to be like, oh my God, it's gonna take forever for me to be monetized. Da, 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 da. Girl, like, as long as you keep posting, you keep that dedication up, and you're actually posting stuff that people are watching, you have no worries. Like, you're gonna be monetized soon. Like, don't even worry about it. Like, just keep going and going and going. Yeah, that's basically that. Now, by the time y'all see this video, I'm still waiting for Google to verify my account, because when you become monetized, YouTube will review your channel. YouTube has already done their part. So they already reviewed my channel, and I got my email sent. I'll go ahead and list my email right here that YouTube sent me. But I already got my my email they sent me saying congratulations, you're YouTube partner. Okay, so I am YouTube partner. However, Google is the one that pays you. So Google also too is going to do their review of your channel. You're going to make sure your bank account is valid. You got to fill out tax forms. What else? Oh, and they verify your address as well. So that's the process that I'm actually like currently doing right now, which is why you guys don't see any ads on my videos, because I'm waiting for YouTube, or I'm waiting for Google to do their thing. So I put my ads on my videos so I can get paid, okay? But yeah, so that's what I'm going through right now. But other than that, y'all, this video is not that long, because literally, I feel like you just gotta want to do YouTube to do YouTube. Like, I told you the basics, the camera, the lighting, and the reason why, or the dedication, you know, to start the channel. Other than that, once you have those things, girl, just post and post and post and pop your shit, and then eventually you're gonna get up there. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be monetized, no worries or whatever. So yeah, but anyway, let me know if y'all enjoyed this type of video. This is not like the usual thing that I post, but like I said, I got so many people like that live in my city, or that like be on my Instagram, be DMing me like, oh my God, I want to start, like what do I do to start? So I'm like, all right, let me just go ahead and make this video so people can just see like what they need to start. So if you did enjoy this type of video, let me know. Like, I'm trying to like do different stuff on my channel, but I'm not like a sit down talk type of YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not really that good with these type of, I don't think I am. Let me know down below what y'all think. But I wanted to do this video to get it out there so y'all know, okay? And so that y'all know that Pretty Brissa is monetized on YouTube, okay? So yeah, but anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure before you leave my channel that you are subscribed to my channel, because if you're watching my channel, you're not subscribed, girl, what is you doing? What are you doing? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, to give me a big thumbs up on this video, because we on our way, okay? It's the Pretty Gang or No Gang. I need a name for y'all too. I don't even know what I'm gonna call my subscribers, but it's Pretty Gang or No Gang. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like the video, and before you leave here, make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, because I be lit AF on my Instagram, okay? I have my Instagram listed right here. And until next time, y'all, stay pretty.